Alright, today what we're doing is we're doing a product review on Post Grapenuts, one of my favorite cereals. And this is called Trail Mix Crunch. I got it on sale for $1.95 at Big Lots. A lot of good deals at Big Lots if you look around.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
It's got cranberries, grape nut cereal, puffed barley, granola, and vanilla. It has 9 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, and 30 whole grains. Okay, that's what this is all about, this symbol right over here. Alright, so we're going to try it out. Let's see, if you would take a look at the nutritional facts, it has calcium, iron, thiamine, niacin, vitamin B6, folic acid, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc. The calories without milk, because you know we don't use dairy milk with me, is 220 calories, 35 from fat. It's got 0.5 saturated fats, no cholesterol, 140 milligrams of sodium, 170 milligrams of potassium, 40 carbohydrates, 5 grams total dietary fiber, 12 sugars, which is really bad, and 9 grams of protein. So you've got to be careful when you're using these, especially these compact. So that is for an half a cup. I'm going to show you what half a cup looks like. But what I use these for, I use these as a topper. I use my base cereal like shredded wheat over here that I get from Trader Joe's. I put my protein powder on, and then I add my raw oats, and after that I put a layer of this on the top of the cereal bowl, and then I put in some fresh fruit, and sometimes I skip the fresh fruit. Like right now, the only thing I have available, because I've used up almost everything, is very delicious ripe bananas. I just love them when they're full of spots like this. They're sweet. It's everything that I want out of a banana. Today we are using up the rest of the persimmon I had defrosted. Hopefully it's still good. We're on our 4th day, and usually by then it's just about ready to turn into something, make some persimmon alcohol. So here I have the shredded wheat, the protein powder from Sprouts, and a cup of raw oats. So that's how I level this off. Then I'm going to open up the brand new package of the Post Crunch. Another really cool thing about this trail mix is that you can take it with you, so you're going to go someplace, backpacking, something like that, because it comes with all kinds of goodness that you can use. When we're walking, I usually have both Joy and TJ Mart, Basenji's, and it's a little hard for me to eat anything. Okay, so you see, I'm just going to, now normally I measure this, but I thought I'd kind of add a little more, kind of get a more full bowl effect. I always use almond milk. This is from Sam's Club. It's got 35 calories, and it's very good. We get a really good deal. We pay $5.25 for 2 of these half-gallon containers, which is still a better deal at that price than if you were to buy at a grocery market, which is pretty close to about $3.20 per half gallon. So I just basically drown it like this, and then I show you a lot of breakfasts because a lot of viewers ask, what can I eat for breakfast? And I tell them, make cereal and put fruit on it. For me, it seems like it's second nature, maybe because I've always had fruit. I've always put cereal in for my breakfast. But you can be creative. There's no reason why you can't be. For example, you could have made some pancakes and put this on top, and then the pancake, and you could have added maple syrup or something like that. There's a lot of things you can do. You have to think out of the box, especially if you're a new vegan. I can't get this thing to cooperate today. I've got a little bit of an allergy going on, which is why my voice is a little bit different than normal. So, just found out I'm allergic to peanuts, and I'm having a difficult time dealing with it because I love peanuts. I love peanut butter. It's going to be hard for me to let that go for a while. Alright, so what you do is you just do something like this. You make it decorative. And I'm going to show you the persimmon next. So we have, it's one of those days when you break the containers. So we have a friend called Nancy, and she has a tree, and she's given us a lot of persimmons. and that's what this is. So this is going to be the end of my breakfast. Of course, I'm going to need a spoon to eat it. Thank you very much for watching this very quick video to how to make a delicious breakfast using Post Grape Nuts Trail Mix Crunch. I mean, you just can't beat it.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.